Most AC breakdowns we see in Nashville could have been prevented with a professional AC tune-up. A proper AC tune-up begins with cleaning. Cleaning is very important to a system's efficiency and overall performance for your air conditioning and cooling needs. On top of cleaning, we also like to check vital components. There are major vital components like starters, contactors, capacitors, relays. All of the above are always checked for proper performance and operation to try to avoid breakdown in the future. The importance of preventative care can't be overstated. A professional tune-up will ensure that vital components are going to make it through the summertime heat. So the best time to get your AC tune-up scheduled is before the heat wave starts. Remember, availability for most AC companies during peak summertime season is very limited. This is why we recommend spring for scheduling your AC tune-up. Overall, an AC tune-up should not be about replacement or pressures of sales into a new system, more so about performance and to make sure you're going to be ready for the hot days ahead. An AC tune-up is the #1 way to prevent breakdown and to ensure proper performance.